Remember, it's just been days since we've seen that attack and the brazen attack on the Enforcement Directorate team by goons allegedly linked to the TMC. But has Mamata Banerjee said anything? The answer is no. She also, remember, doubles up as a stay-home minister. Instead, we've seen a lot of politics on the entire issue, and that's our first breaking update on the show. Days after the attack on the ED team in the state of Bengal now, the TMC has completely brazened this out. It's going all out to threaten the ED yet again. This time, it is the TMC's agriculture minister. Listen in to what he says.
অপকর্মের বিরুদ্ধে, গণতন্ত্র হত্যার বিরুদ্ধে ওদের আমাদের তৃণমূল যে ছাত্র পরিষদ আছে, ওদের ইডি আছে, আমাদের তৃণমূল যুব কংগ্রেস আছে, ওদের সিবিআই আছে, আমাদের তৃণমূল ট্রেড ইউনিয়ন আছে, ওদের ইনকাম ট্যাক্স আছে। আমাদের এই লড়াই হবে, এই লড়াই হবে আমাদের। ওদের কোনো সংগঠন নেই, ওদের কেবলমাত্র অত্যাচার করার জন্য গণতন্ত্রকে হত্যা করার সংগঠন আছে। সেই গণতান্ত্রিক সংগঠন দিয়ে আগামী দিন বিজেপিকে মোকাবেলা করবো, আর সিপিএমকে। ওগুলো কোনো ব্যাপার না। শেখ শাহজাহানের দাদু আছে তো, আদানি আম্বানি। আজকে আমার বলো তো ভাই, ক্যাগ বলছে, ক্যাগ আমি না, ক্যাগ বলছে 5.7 লক্ষ কোটি টাকার দুর্নীতি হয়েছে বিজেপি সরকারের আমলে, কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের আমলে। তার কাছে কে শাহজাহান, কে শাহজাহান? তার ধোপেটাকে, তার শাহজাহান ধোপেটাকে। তাহলে এসব কথা বলো কেন? জিজ্ঞেস করো না যে কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার কত টাকা দুর্নীতি করেছে বলুন। আমি বলছি না, ক্যাগ বলছে 5.7 লক্ষ কোটি টাকার দুর্নীতি হয়েছে। ওইগুলো দেখেন। আরে ভাই, দুর্নীতি সরকার আইনের মতো চলবে, আইনের মতো চলবে। আরে ভাই, তো জনবিস্ফোরণ হবে এরপরেতে। এখন তো সব একটা জায়গায় হয়েছে, এরপরে সারা বাংলা জুড়ে জনবিস্ফোরণ হবে। এবং ভারতবর্ষে যেখানে যেখানে বিজেপি সরকার নেই সেখানে ইডি যাচ্ছে, আর সব যুধিষ্ঠিরের ছেলে পুলে। আসামে হেমন্ত বিশ্ব শর্মা যুধিষ্ঠিরের ছেলে। যেখানে যেখানে বিজেপি সরকার আছে সেখানে ইডি সিবিআই দুর্নীতি দেখতে পাচ্ছে না। এই জনবিস্ফোরণ ভারতবর্ষে হবে। কে গেলে হবে, বলবে কে যাবে হবে, ইডি গেলে আবার কি, যে যাবে হবে জনবিস্ফোরণ।
So that is the agriculture minister and how he's responding to what has happened. And there is also a forewarning to the agencies. And I also want to get in our colleague Ishan, who's joining us from a Bangla newsroom. He's been tracking that story closely. Ishan, first up, such kind of a defense from the TMC, many would say, is expected. But does this also not reinforce the fact that violence, Ishan, is the new normal in the state of Bengal? It doesn't shock anyone. It clearly does not shock the TMC. In fact, the TMC believe that's the best way going ahead, by threatening people, threatening agencies, and, clearly saying that this is vendetta by the agencies, but also in the same breath, threatening the same central agencies.
Well, Dipti, I would like to ask you, does it seem to you that this is only a defense? This is only a mere defense by a person who is a responsible minister in the state cabinet, like Shobhandev Chattopadhyay? This is a brazen comment. This is a bizarre comment made by the minister in charge of agriculture in West Bengal. And what is he saying? He is saying that afterwards, till now we have seen some sporadic events here and there, and it will increase more in future. In future, it will come like an explosion against the ED and CBI. This is the statement coming from a sitting minister in the West Bengal government. Such a bizarre comment. And he is placing, you have heard the whole statement given by this agriculture minister in West Bengal. He is a very veteran leader of TMC. He is the first MLA who was elected to West Bengal Assembly on a Trinamool ticket. He was the first MLA, so you can understand how veteran he is. But such a comment is coming from him.
Ishan,
He's
Ishan,
saying
apologies,
he's placing.
I'm just interrupting you here. But just give me a moment, Ishan. I'm told Shishir Bajoria of the BJP is also patched right now. Let's quickly get in the first response from him. Shishir, good evening and thank you for speaking to us on Republic. How would you respond to what you've just heard from the Agriculture Minister, who clearly is not just backing Shah Jahan, but he also does say that this is the new normal. You know, you come, you attack us and be prepared for a counter-attack. Shishir.
Good evening. Let me tell you, I am completely shocked. I'm out of words. First of all, a minister government, this is a clear threat he has put out to a central agency. The central agency is of a country. He is a minister of a government. He forgets that he is beyond a Trinamool leader. He is a minister of the government. He's taken oath to protect the constitution. And from him, and moreover, I know Shobhandev Babu. He was, I would say till now, till this statement of his, I would have considered him one of the saner voices of Trinamool. But now if this statement comes from him, I think that whole party has, I think they have just gone berserk. First, Anubrata Mandal. Similar words, not such direct threats, but threats used to come. And now what has happened to this Shah Jahan person who is absconding? Now here is a threat being given out to central agencies. You dare come to us. That means, first of all, they are admitting all the wrongdoings that they are doing. All this amassing of huge wealth, robbing the people of the state of West Bengal, and not paying even government officials their dues, and robbing the people. And when the central agency comes, basically by these investigations, what are the central agencies doing? They're only protecting the interest of the common person. And minister, especially the caliber of Shobhandev Babu saying this, it's shocking. That means somehow I have a feeling that this is possibly the party line of theirs. And I don't know how long Centre can keep this government going. The President of India may have to take a view.
And Shishir, you believe, much like Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary of the Congress, that it's time for President's rule in Bengal?
As I said, they are ensuring that they become untenable. And at that point, to protect the people of the state, I think President of India may have to consider taking steps in this state. Now, whether it's first at 355 and then 356, I'm not competent to comment
Shishir,
on that.
Okay. All right. We'll leave it there, Shishir. Thank you for speaking to us. And let me get in our colleague Ishan back on this story and this conversation. Ishan, apologies. I had to cut you short. But I think what Shishir also said makes a point. You know, it's not just about what this particular minister from the TMC has said, but clearly the fact that there is no word yet coming in from Mamata Banerjee, who also doubles up as a state home minister. Should we not believe that this is actually the party line?
Exactly so. The Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, has still not made any clear statement on this incident. This is a bizarre incident that a central agency is going to conduct a raid in connection with a corruption charge, and in that place it is being accompanied by the central forces, but still the situation is so disturbing that the central force and the central agency both are being compelled to return back from the spot, and their cars are being vandalized, their cars are being set on fire, and they are being hospitalized. This is a bizarre situation, and the Chief Minister is still to make any comment. The Chief Minister today has made such in general statements. What she has said, I think you have also noticed that Mamata Banerjee has said, if you want to abuse me, then you can. If you want to say something in my name, personally want to attack me, you can attack. But don't attack the law and order situation in West Bengal. So this is the statement coming from the Chief Minister days after such a bizarre incident there in Sandesh Khali. So you can understand what is the state of affairs actually in West Bengal. Dipti.
All right, Ishan, we'll track that story and that space very closely and clearly. Considering the remarks we've heard from the governor, the remarks from the BJP, we do not know what happens next, but we are tracking that story closely, Ishan. As I say, thank you to you. But